Here is the manufacturing execution system offered by SACMI to supervise the whole production process from the raw material to the shipment of finished products, allowing a data exchange among different types of systems like ERP, WMS, or interconnected machines. The features of here are divided into modules to make the system more flexible and adaptable to different types of plants, so that the solution can be tailored on customers' needs. It allows the information flow control through the production process, realizing a two-way data exchange between ERP and interconnected machines. Data that are obtained through a constant monitoring of machines, lines, and production departments. Another goal of here is to simplify and automate some manual procedures that requires the continuous intervention of the operator, and to eliminate the use of paper-based support for the quality controls. Here is a web-based technology so that the information are available anywhere in the world via web browser through an intuitive and easy-to-use system. SACMI's approach adopts the Agile Methodology, which involves dividing the project into incremental steps, so that lead to the first results in a shorter time. It makes also more efficient the next step, relying on the results obtained previously. At the end, the phases that are included in each step includes the analysis of the customer requirements, develop and software engineering, test and deploy. At the end, when all the customer requirements are satisfied, we move on to the activities of the next step. SACMI offers to the customer his know-how about the analysis of the production process and a prolonged partnership for the entire life cycle of the plant. We offer the opportunity to know the factory status in real time, so that the information are always under control of the operator and the occurrence of any problems during the production process. We use advanced system to know the data directly from the process, so directly from the machines, and to calculate key performance indicators that are important for the customer to know the performance of his factory. We support integration with all enterprise systems like ERP or WMS, avoiding to the customer additional cost of system integrators.